Hi, I'm Dr. Sundaram, NLP coach, NLP psychologist, and NLP friend from India. You can see my NLP work of the last 20 years in around 300 YouTube videos and 100 podcasts. Still, I'm sharing cases from my clinical cases, from my training records to activate and take some people in the society from comfort zone to a challenge zone, comfort zone to challenge zone. Okay. So I would like to talk to you on the recent NLP workshop I completed. The NLP workshop I completed in Belranipet. This is one organization that has been continuously helping me. A few organizations are there who are serious about their employees. And this is one organization where the HR is very, I would say the HR chief is very proactive and positive in helping their employees. And every year he gives me a training program for young couples. Young couples. They have a database, and all those people who have completed 2 years of marriage, one program. Okay. 2 to 5 years of marriage. Because generally what actually happens is the misunderstanding is between the first 2 years and 5 years. Okay. Maybe you can take 0 to 1 year. We don't discount it for various reasons, because that's it for that. Most of the people settle for themselves. Okay. Within 3 months, the people withdraw their relationship or they find their own solutions. But here in this case, 2 years to 5 years, and the records are also proved like this. So recently what we did is around, I think around 34, that is 17 couples were given to us. Okay, what is the NLP? NLP people call neuro-linguistic psychology, breakthrough psychology, okay, a new version of yourself, yes. But I focus on, there are many trainers in India. We conduct training program and training program and a training program and a training program. Become NLPer, problem gets solved. Become NLPer, problem gets solved. You attend my program. NLPer gets solved. You attend my program. Become NLPer. And there are many of my students who have learned NLP from me without practicing it. The next day they start an NLP training program. Okay. Well, I don't have any complaint about it. It's a sort of open information. Everybody will know. So here, what actually has happened, I would just tell you the 3 days concept. We call the NLP workshops. We do it in Chennai. Now I have another program next week on March 8th, 9th and 10th. I have an NLP workshop only for couples, husband and wife, and already undergoing coaching with me. I don't take any person who is from outside, because NLP is a training program where you do a lot of self-introspection. If you go to practo.com and check up my name, Dr. Sundaram in Chennai, if you go through the feedback, everywhere they're very, very clear that I have not accept the client without doing any homework. Okay. If the client is not ready to do homework, it means what? He is not ready for improvement. Very simple. Our relationship ends there. Okay. I don't even talk about NLP coaching fees. I do free consultancy over phone. I tell them why they should come, how they should come, what homework they have to do, and also the agreements, coaching agreements, how many sessions. And I tell them to write down a certain homework. When they don't do the homework, very, very good, you are not matured enough for coaching, because they are called coaching index. What is what is coaching index? Coaching index is the ability of the client to take coaching. Okay. Ability of the client to take coaching. If the coaching index is below 5, I don't take this. It should be above 7. From both the couples, husband and wife put together, I talk to them separately. So in NLP workshop which we conducted in this company, first day we had a sort of an introduction to the subject. Why they have to come for training program, why if you don't repair the relationship right now, what's going to happen, what consequences are going to happen. And we also make them see what the worst is going to happen. And we also play a sort of exercise where they see their worst. They see their worst, what the worst can happen if this is the type of relationship you are trying to keep it. That is the whole day is dedicated for that, number one. And second day we go into the personality analysis. Okay. In the personality analysis, what we always say is your personality is based on three factors. Either you have your mother personality or father personality, or you have a guru personality, MFG personality. What is MFG? See, all the things I have learned is from my mother. I have been programmed for the last 25 years. So any conflict comes, any issue comes, any misunderstanding comes, what happens? I respond or I react. How do I react? I will be reacting like my father, one option, or I would be reacting like my mother, second option, or I would be reacting like my teacher. Isn't it? There is no fourth option. So you can trace out all your reactions, all your behaviors, all your excited behaviors or sort of a conflicting behaviors to these three, either a mother factor or a father factor or a guru factor. Guru may be your boss. If you're working for 5 years with your boss, you get some boss qualities, or maybe your chitti or maybe your uncle, whoever it is. So, but now the second day is very important session where we talk about is it important for you to keep this particular style? Then we tell the consequence of it. Right. Second day is we tell the consequence of it. And the third day we talk about the solutions, whatever solutions they can undergo and how they can take a decision. And we also do certain role plays, actings and dramas. When one situation, what is the learnings, and we conclude. This is a 3-day basic program. NLP workshop. I've been in the field of training for last 20 years, heading a training division of 85,000 employees, and the competency of NLP, the competency of training division is very high. This is the only, I would say, an unique training model in India. I would not say in the world. For the last 50 years, they have an exclusive training department. That means around 20 full-time faculty working full-time only on training area. You can understand what is the depth of expertise I have. There are other organizations, they've got one training manager or one HR manager who looks after everything, and they give only technical training. But here, every day there is a training, and it's a mandatory for you to undergo training. If it doesn't go undergo training, what will happen? That is how my expertise comes from them. From your recruitment to retirement, I have worked with the youth of the society. So what is workshop? Workshop is nothing but some work has been carried out. Okay, there are many the seminars, training, trainer-centered training, trainee-centered training. Okay, then you have got in basket, then you have got your what do you call game-based training. Different types of trainings are there. But workshop means some work is to be done. Just by teaching or telling the theory or the content is not workshop. Some work. Here the couple has worked on each other. The husband has worked on the wife and wife has worked on the husband. So friends, welcome. Thank you very much. You can go and see my work now for the last 20 years in around 250 YouTubes. It is in English, Hindi, Telugu and Tamil. And you can contact me for my next training program. I have 2 counseling clinics, coaching clinic. One coaching clinic is in OMR, Chennai, where I get a lot of my IT clients, and one counseling and training center in Tamil. You can contact me. You can contact me on my Gmail. DR, D for Delhi, R for Railway, S for Sun, U for Umbrella, N for Nagpur, T for Tirupati, R for Railway, G for Gwalior, at gmail.com, drsuntrg@gmail.com. And you can also contact me on my phone number, mobile phone number. You can contact me on WhatsApp at 964 000054. I repeat, 964 000054. I don't charge for consultancy over phone. Okay, Of course, if you want to talk for long hours, you can come to Skype. I do Skype counseling also. I'm expecting a couple from all the way from Hyderabad to Chennai for my workshop on 8th March and 9th March and 10th March. There is nothing but design your life for successful, what do you call that? You can use it. Design your life for successful marital life. Okay. NLP is always not default living, it is a designed style of living. Okay. It is a designed style of living. Friend, at the end I would like to quote my favorite quote is, if you want to work at the front end, if you want results in the front end, you know what is front end? Reception room. Okay. You enter an office, there is one counselor, beautiful young girl sitting there. She says, yes sir, what can I do for you? She is a receptionist, or she may be called a counselor. Okay, the front end. Back end is our boss. Or everything other than the front end is the back end. Okay. If you want results at the front end, do the repairing at the back end. Thank you, thanks a lot. See you. Bye bye.